Design, the main design cut in like I want it. Now I'm going to change the graver blank and go to a number 1. I'll get it sharp and ready to go. And what I'm going to do here is come back and add the veining like I think it should be. Sometimes when it's a very small little nick or leaf, just really don't do anything to it and just vein the larger pieces. Recommended after you get a little more advanced, it would be to come back and to remove some of the background with a chisel or flat graver, or another thing you could do would be to do some stipple engraving, which is you could use the Gravermiester handpiece and just prick the background and make it rough, and that would give it some contrast also. Working on the spring, getting the debris and all some grinding buffing compound out of it. Knives are used. We've reached the